Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Welcome to FabFlaire. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the hearts of many: cotton clothing care. Cotton is a beloved natural fiber known for its comfort and versatility. In this video, we'll share some invaluable tips on how to properly care for your cotton clothes, ensuring they stay fresh, vibrant, and long-lasting. Let's get started. Understanding cotton is a breathable and soft natural fiber derived from the cotton plant. Its absorbent properties make it perfect for clothing, but it does require special care to maintain its quality over time. Washing guidelines. When it comes to washing cotton clothes, remember to check the care labels for any specific instructions. In general, it's best to use cold or lukewarm water, as hot water can cause shrinkage and fading. Separating colors can also prevent color transfer. Consider turning clothes inside out to preserve their appearance. Drying methods. Air drying is a preferred method for cotton clothes. This helps prevent excessive shrinkage and maintains the fabric's integrity. If you're using a dryer, opt for a lower heat setting. Overdrying can lead to wrinkles and reduce the lifespan of your garments. Ironing and steaming cotton clothes often require a bit of touch-up with ironing or steaming. Iron them while slightly damp, or use a steam iron to minimize the risk of damaging the fibers. Keep in mind that higher cotton thread counts might require lower ironing temperatures to avoid scorching. Stain removal. For those inevitable stains, address them promptly. Blot the stain gently with a clean cloth and avoid rubbing, which can spread the stain. Pre-treating with a mild detergent or stain remover before washing can be quite effective. Preventing fading. To keep your cotton clothes looking vibrant, turn them inside out before washing and avoid overexposing them to direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause colors to fade over time, so proper storage and mindful laundering can help preserve their vibrancy. Proper storage. When not in use, store your cotton clothes in a cool, dry place. Avoid hanging them on wire hangers, as this can cause stretching. Opt for padded or wooden hangers instead. Fold heavier cotton garments to prevent them from losing their shape. Dealing with wrinkles. Wrinkles are a common issue, but they're easily managed. Hang cotton clothes in the bathroom while you shower, as the steam can help relax the fibers. Alternatively, use a fabric spray or water mist to gently dampen the fabric before smoothing out the wrinkles. Delicate care. Delicate cotton items like lace or embroidery require extra attention. Hand wash them using a mild detergent and cold water. Gently squeeze out excess water without wringing and lay them flat to air dry. And there you have it, your guide to caring for cotton clothes like a pro. Proper care ensures your cotton garments remain comfortable, colorful, and in excellent condition for the long haul. Remember these tips, and your favorite cotton pieces will thank you by looking fantastic every time you wear them. It was fun to have you join us on these fabrics learning journey. See you next time for another interesting topic related to fabrics and textiles.